Created with even wall thickness and seamless construction, gives you a smooth straight-edge cake. 4-inch deep. Dimensions: 8 by 4 inches, 203 by 102 millimeters. Made from high-quality anodized aluminum. PME Quality Product. Created with even wall thickness and seamless construction, giving you a smooth straight-edge cake. The PME cake pans are made from a strong and durable form of non-reactive anodized aluminum, making them easy to use, clean and hard-wearing. Top reviews from the United States. Works for me and stays reasonably unstained. Bought this for making bread in my 9 Dutch oven. Lowering my no-knead bread dough into the Dutch oven caused it to collapse. This looked like just the right size. It worked. After the first rise, I proofed the dough in this pan, having rubbed some olive oil on the inside, then simply place it in the Dutch oven and then into the oven itself at 430 F. The bread takes the pan's form and rises just above the top edge. The oil gives the sides and bottom a slightly crispy texture, perfect. The bread comes out real easy and the clean-up is straightforward with a cloth and dish soap. There is a very slight brown discoloration around the top inch or so, which doesn't come off but is almost unnoticeable, but the surface touching the bread dough is still very clean after dozens of uses. I would buy again if needed.